Great Ocean Road, what you need. One of Australia's most stunning camping routes runs between Torquay and Allansford, but camping on the Great Ocean Road requires a bit more than your basic camping gear. Here are our top essentials for camping on the Great Ocean Road to ensure you've got everything you need. 1. There is a lot of storage space. In light of the possibility of spending a lifetime meandering along the Great Ocean Road, ample storage space is an essential part of the trip. With enough camping drawers to keep everything secure, organized, and easy to find while on the road, you won't have to worry about leaving anything behind. Adding additional camping trailer drawers before the trip can help if your current vehicle lacks storage space. You can easily and quickly bring along all the camping supplies you need for a fun and exciting journey if you use a reputable RV storage business in Melbourne where the route begins. 2. It is important to have a reliable camping stove. The best way to end a long day of exploring is with a hearty meal cooked on an open fire. But if it's raining or there is no firewood available, bring your camping stove along. As a result of modern advancements in stove technology, camping stoves are now light, portable, and take up very little space in camping trailer drawers while providing excellent cooking performance. Those continuing further up the Australian coast after completing the Great Ocean Road should consider installing a full kitchen fit-out to the back of their van or RV before the trip begins. These fit-outs include sliding benches for food prep, drawers for storing kitchen supplies, and of course, easy pull-outs for camping stoves. 3. A comfortable place to sleep. The right sleeping setup is essential for camping trips of any length, and a camping mattress or camping bed is a great way to get a good night's sleep. If your camper van or RV does not have sufficient room to sleep because all your stuff is in the way, consider adding a false floor with camper trailer drawers underneath. In addition to providing extra storage space, this space-saving and sleep-inducing solution also provides a comfortable sleeping area that will keep you refreshed every morning. Take a Great Ocean Road trip you'll never forget. Taking a camping trip along the Great Ocean Road can be one of the most memorable experiences of your life. Make sure you have all the camping essentials you need before heading out. Modify your camping vehicle if it lacks certain features. Ensure that your journey is as enjoyable and hassle-free as possible.